Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Gomez joins me. We're coming to you from Santoni headquarters here. We're talking a little bit about those questions and stumbling blocks a lot of our employers ask us in the sales process after they come on board. And we're going to break down these questions and hopefully shed some light on these topics to help you in your onboarding process, your screening process, and managing compliance and risk in your organization. So Ben's going to pepper me with questions, and so let's get started.
So in today's world, staying compliant is key. How and when should I be performing drug screenings?
Yeah, so the question is that how and why should people be conducting substance abuse or drug testing? As California-based employers, there's no such thing as random testing, so the advice would be conduct the substance abuse or drug test at the pre-employment stage, unless you're regulated by DOT and you're required to do random testing, or you have people that detect substance abuse and you can send people to a lab or a clinic. But you want to do that before they come on board as employees, so you can have a good sense of who you're hiring.
Sure. And along that topic, are there different levels of drug screenings?
Yeah, so the question is are there different types of drug screening kind of packages, or what are you looking for? So typically they break into two categories. So your 5-panel substance abuse screening test is going to cover your street level narcotics, your marijuana, heroin, PCP, barbiturates, things like that. And then anything above that, typically 9, 10 panel and beyond, includes street narcotics as well as prescription drugs. And those are the two different options. So thank you so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions or stumbling blocks with your employment background screening or onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave some information in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.
We should have a blue
Dude,
going at it. Trial round. I've been in front of the camera like
it's
this.
red.
Wow.
It's blinking
Yes.
red, right?
Actually, I think you're a little off center.
Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Benito